After 60, swelling, stiffness, and that annoying tingling in your legs or knees aren't just normal signs of aging. They're actually signals from your body, warning you that something essential is running low. That something is collagen, the natural protein that keeps your skin smooth, joints flexible, and legs strong. But here's the problem. By the time we hit 60, our collagen production can drop by nearly 75% compared to our younger years. And even worse, and most people have no idea. In fact, many of the foods we eat every single day are secretly damaging collagen, making swelling and stiffness worse. The good news? Recent studies have uncovered 6 collagen-rich foods that can rebuild and restore your collagen naturally, in some cases boosting it by more than 140%. That means less swelling, stronger joints, and easier movement in just a few short weeks. One of these foods might even surprise you, because it's something many people have avoided for years. Yet it may be the fastest way to help your joints and legs feel young again. Before we dive in, let me ask you this. Have you noticed any changes in your legs or joints recently? And what kind of foods do you eat to support your collagen levels? Share your answers in the comments. I love reading your stories and giving you personalized tips. And hey, before we start, don't forget to subscribe to Golden Life Health because here we share real science-based health tips designed especially for people over 50 and 60 who want to stay active, strong, and pain-free. Gelatin, most people remember gelatin as that colorful, wobbly dessert from childhood. But plain, unflavored gelatin is actually one of the best natural sources of collagen you can find. It's basically cooked collagen, rich in amino acids like glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, the very same building blocks that make up about 70% of the collagen in your body. What makes gelatin especially powerful for older adults is how easily the body can absorb it. Because it's already been cooked, its long collagen chains are broken down into smaller pieces, making digestion and absorption super easy, even if stomach acid isn't as strong as it once was. 2020 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that adults who added just 10 grams of gelatin daily noticed visible improvements within 8 weeks. Their skin was more hydrated, joints felt smoother, and even their calf muscles appeared firmer. Many participants also reported better balance and walking speed, proof that collagen isn't just for looks. It's about mobility and strength. To get the most benefit, use plain, unflavored gelatin made from grass-fed beef or pasture-raised pork. You can stir it into warm water and sip it like a tonic, mix it into your tea or coffee, or even make homemade fruit gels with fresh berries and honey. Avoid the store-bought colorful packets. They're full of dyes and sweeteners that can interfere with collagen absorption. If you want a simple, everyday habit that gently restores flexibility and comfort, adding a scoop of pure gelatin is one of the easiest ways to do it. Sardines, small, oily, and often underrated, sardines are one of the most collagen-rich foods in the world. What makes them unique is that you eat the whole fish, including the bones, skin, and connective tissue, all loaded with type 1 and type 3 collagen. Type 3 collagen is especially important for strong, flexible blood vessels, the ones that carry nutrients and oxygen to your legs and feet. When your body lacks it, circulation slows, leading to swelling, numbness, and that sharp tingling many older adults feel in their legs. In a 2021 European study, seniors who ate sardines 3 times a week saw 19% better circulation and 27% less ankle swelling in just 10 weeks. That's because sardines help rebuild the collagen and elastin that keep veins flexible and healthy. To get the best results, eat sardines with their skin and bones. You can enjoy them on whole grain toast, in salads, or mixed into a tomato-based pasta sauce. If the flavor feels too strong, soak them in lemon juice first. It removes the smell and boosts freshness. Always pick sardines packed in olive oil. It keeps collagen stable. Avoid soybean or sunflower oil versions, as they can spoil faster. When eaten regularly, sardines don't just strengthen collagen, they also support the nervous system, helping reduce nighttime leg cramps and numbness that can disturb your sleep. Papaya isn't just a sweet breakfast fruit. It's actually one of nature's most effective collagen enhancers. Its secret weapon is an enzyme called papain, which helps break down tough proteins and releases amino acids your body needs to rebuild collagen. As we get older, our digestive strength drops, meaning even if we eat protein-rich foods, our bodies may not absorb enough of it to restore collagen properly. That's where papaya comes in. Papain acts like a helper, unlocking those amino acids so your body can rebuild skin, joints, and leg tissue faster and more effectively. A recent 2023 nutrients and aging study showed that adults aged 60-78 who ate fresh papaya daily for 12 weeks saw remarkable changes. Skin elasticity improved by 33%, wrinkles reduced by 21%, and leg swelling and discomfort dropped by 28%. The best time to eat papaya is in the morning on an empty stomach, when its enzymes are most active. Enjoy it fresh and ripe, either sliced or blended with a squeeze of lime juice for a refreshing smoothie that supercharges collagen production. Avoid cooked or canned papaya. Heat destroys its enzymes and reduces vitamin C content. Some people even use papaya masks on their face, but the real transformation happens inside your body when you eat it regularly. It helps your skin glow, reduces leg pain, and restores that light, flexible feeling to your steps. Chicken skin, for decades, people have been told to peel off chicken skin because it's unhealthy. But the truth is, chicken skin is one of the richest natural sources of type 1 collagen, the exact kind your skin, bones, and joints rely on for strength. Type 1 collagen declines faster than any other after age 60, leading to thinning skin, weaker joints, and legs that tire quickly. That's why this simple food can make such a big difference. 2022 clinical trial, published in Clinical Interventions in Aging, found that seniors who ate cooked chicken skin 3 times a week increased their type 1 collagen density by 31% in just 12 weeks. Participants also reported fewer knee buckling moments, less swelling, and better balance while walking. Chicken skin isn't just about collagen. It also contains elastin and glycosaminoglycans, which help your tissues hold moisture, keeping joints cushioned and skin hydrated. Just remember, how you cook it matters. Avoid deep frying, which destroys collagen and creates harmful compounds. Instead, slow roast, bake, or boil it. You can even make a nourishing chicken stock with the skin and bones. As it simmers, collagen seeps out into the broth, turning it into a powerful joint-healing tonic. Once cooled, that broth will naturally turn jelly-like in the fridge. That's pure collagen magic right there. Use it in soups, stews, or sip it warm in the morning to give your joints an easy daily boost. Bone broth has been around for centuries. But now science finally proves what our grandparents always knew. It works. When prepared the right way, bone broth becomes one of the most concentrated and bioavailable collagen sources on Earth. It contains type 1, 2, and 3 collagen, plus gelatin, glucosamine, chondroitin, and hyaluronic acid, all crucial for repairing and protecting connective tissues. A 2021 study published in Geriatric Health and Nutrition tracked 110 adults over 60 who drank 1 cup of bone broth daily. After 8 weeks, results were impressive. Skin firmness improved by 52%, leg pain and cramps dropped by 34%, and overall activity levels increased by nearly 50%. Even MRI scans showed thicker collagen in the knees and hips, while blood tests confirmed healthier collagen markers. Those who combined the broth with light walking saw even better results, showing that collagen doesn't just rebuild structure, it also improves circulation. To make it at home, simmer grass-fed beef bones or free-range chicken carcasses with joints and cartilage in water with a splash of apple cider vinegar. Let it cook gently for 18-24 hours. The longer it cooks, the more collagen you extract. You'll know it's done right when it turns to jelly in the fridge. That's pure collagen gold. Avoid boiling it too hard or buying cheap store versions with additives. They lose much of the healing power. Sip it warm daily, and you'll notice smoother skin, stronger joints, and legs that move more freely than they have in years. Liver might not be everyone's favorite food, But when it comes to collagen support, it's one of the most powerful natural allies your body can have, especially when it comes from grass-fed beef or pasture-raised chicken. What makes liver special is its combination of vitamin A, zinc, copper, and glycine, all essential nutrients your body must have to make collagen effectively. Without these, even a protein-rich diet won't rebuild collagen as it should. A 22 study in the Journal of Gerontological Nutrition discovered that seniors who ate liver once a week had 143% higher collagen activity in their blood than those who didn't. They also had fewer issues with sagging skin, varicose veins, and swelling around the knees and ankles. If the flavor isn't your favorite, start small. Mix a little cooked liver into soups or stews, or spread liver pate on whole grain toast with a bit of lemon juice to balance the taste. Just 1-2 ounces per week is enough to make a visible difference, especially if you pair it with vitamin C-rich fruits and veggies like oranges, kiwi, or bell peppers. With consistency, most people start noticing stronger legs, firmer skin, and less swelling in just a few weeks. If you're over 60 and dealing with leg swelling, stiffness, or numbness, these 6 foods, gelatin, sardines, papaya, chicken skin, bone broth, and liver, can help your body rebuild collagen naturally. They're simple, powerful, and backed by science. No expensive supplements needed. Remember, it's not just what you eat once in a while. It's what you do every day that truly changes your body. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll be amazed by how much stronger and more comfortable your legs feel again. Now tell me in the comments, which of these collagen-rich foods do you eat already? Have you noticed any changes in your joints or skin? Your experience might inspire someone else watching this video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Golden Life Health, where we bring you the best science-backed tips for aging stronger, moving better, and living healthier at every stage of life.